Alright, here's a test on the camera. We're going to start vlogging again. This is me and you guys, because I'm on my own on the water at the moment. I'm out for a week. I wanted to get away and do some vlogging and do some content and get out and do some sailing on my own, just to get back to it and bring a bit more sailing back to the channel. So that's where we're at the moment. What is it? It's almost 3 o'clock. I'm stepping off to have a coffee. I've got a ferry arriving later with a shipment on it, which is a new something, which will be exciting. Yeah, I'm just going to see how this goes. So if you want to tune in for the week, subscribe to the channel and remember to hit the notifications bell, because I'm going to daily vlog for every day this week, and also be producing some content for the Learn to Sail side, the Sharpen Up series of the YouTube channel. So hope you enjoy. I'd love to hear your comments throughout the week, and let's go. I'm going to try and find a coffee, and I have no idea where to go because it's winter in Vis. Great success. 1 coffee. Back to work. I do love it though. Here in Croatia, a coffee, which is effectively a flat white or a cappuccino type thing. We call it veliki stopljen, which is large with warm milk. It's 10 kuna. Now 10 kuna is, I wonder what the most common currency of my viewers watching is. 10 kuna is probably going to be New Zealand, Australia. Well, I don't know. Anyway, 10 kuna is $2.11 Australian, $2.23 New Zealand, £1, or $1.30, €1.30. So pretty cheap. I really like that about here. It fits into the budget of a YouTuber. But I'm looking forward to this ferry arriving in an hour, which is awesome because I've got my package coming from there, and the tripod so I can do more of the lessons filming. But it's a really nice environment to work, just chilling out in here. I've got the music running, the heater's on, feeling very lavish because I'm in Vis at the moment, and I've scored a spot with some shore power. I washed the boat down today, so that was nice to get the cockpit nice and clean. Got some stew heating up on the stove. Oh, and it needs a stir. Actually needs a stir right now. Oh, it smells good though. Thank you, Erin and Amanda, for the stew. Anyway, I'm going to get to that and carry on with this work, and then we'll put the drone up and get the last of the sun. I gotta find where all the stuff is, because Mahina does this all for me, and she's up. Oh, the worst one was this morning at 6 AM. I was hunting and hunting and hunting. Where the hell are the rubbish bags? And I look and I look and I look and I look, and I'm like, oh man, I'm just gonna give up. I'm gonna have to ask her when she wakes up, until I start putting things back that I moved. One of them being this. Where's the salt? Oh, I do know where the salt is. It's gonna be an interesting week. Alright, alarm went off. It's 4:15, which means the ferry should be arriving in 10 minutes. So I'm going to put the drone up. And let's not lose this one, because as any of you that have been following my Facebook or anything knows, we lost a drone yesterday. The Mavic Mini. May it rest in peace. Sorry, the Mini 2, may it rest in peace. Flew up off the back. I took it off out of my hand, auto takeoff, and I just hesitated a moment because it started flying towards Amanda. It flew towards the boat as the boat was moving away. It flew towards it, and I was like, I should have grabbed the controls faster, but it hit the bimini, and then it went down. Sunk its way to the bottom of the Adriatic, another drone listed in there, so I'm gutted about that, but we've still got the Mavic, and we've got the new package arriving today, so I'm going to go pick it up. But rest in peace, Mini 2. Ferries just come in, and this is a really cool feature of Croatia and the islands, and I'm sure other countries do this as well, but it's like this local package courier system. You can generally put a bag of goods or an object or a package or anything onto a ferry. Mahina just gave it to the call it attendant, or the sailor on the boat in Split, and said, hey, this is going to my husband Nick. And he said, cool, put it down there, and it was done. I'll walk over there and I'll pick it up from them. So it's a pretty cool system. Okay. This one here. See you. Ciao. Voila. Package arrived. Package arrived, very happy about that. Thank you, Mahina, and Mike for driving Mahina in, picking that stuff up from Erin, and do it. What do we got in my package? Very important, tripod. Yes! Coffee pods. Huge thank you to Adriatic Hero. They are the GoPro distributor and DJI distributor for the Balkans area and in and around this area. And Philippe from Adriatic Hero has been looking after me, and because they like a lot of the stuff we do here on YouTube and social media, the drone flying, the footage, they have helped me out by sending me the late DJI Mini 2 drone, and they've just sent me now the Hero 9 Black GoPro, and it's a special bundle, and I'm going to open it up right now so we can see what's in there, because I am super excited about this. Wow, nice case. Let's have a look. We'll switch this camera. All right. Oh. Lovely. It's funny because I've been using this in the last couple of days. This is my previous GoPro, the Hero 4 or Hero 4 Black. I can't actually remember, but this has been amazing. I remember getting this in 2016. Blair, you picked this up for me and brought it over from Scotland. Thank you. That has been amazing, but it's definitely just not cutting it as far as low light and battery power and all that goes. So jumped a few models now. What do we got? Woo-wee! Nice little bundle. Whoa! Okay, that is super cool. It's huge! I suppose not that huge, but it's still pretty. It's pretty big. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Well, there it is. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Excited to see what more content I get to play with this. So thank you very much, Adriatic Hero. That is amazing. I'm going to do some cool footage this week, and we'll start posting and tagging you guys in some photos, because it's just amazing to have the support from you guys. So thank you so much. And that's probably the most exciting thing about today's vlog. Here's the new GoPro. I love it. It's so fast to start up, and it's just pretty. And the screen on the front is really cool for framing, because I can see myself and what's going on. That's really neat. Oh, anyway, it's what are we going on? 7:45. Finally got a bunch of the work done, so now it's time to go out for a walk. So just getting the shoes on, etc., etc. Trusty Vibrams. And yes, I know my shoes are weird, but I'm doing a competition. No, that's irrelevant. I'm doing a competition with Matthew, because we've both got an Apple Watch, and I just got my new one. Thank you very much to the people who helped me get that. Unfortunately, I was sick and broken for the first 2 days of this competition, and I missed football. So I'm going to lose this one, but I won the last one. I think he's going to win this one, but it'll be close-ish. And then the next one, Matthew, you're gone. So here we are under a street lamp. I'm generally interested in how the GoPro handles the low light, because I've done no real settings, anything. I've just turned it on and started recording stuff. So they say that the image stabilization and stuff in this is really, really top. So I'm really curious about that. Took a few photos. So now that we're back in editing mode, I can see how they turned out. This was one of the church. And this was one of just like the moon and stuff. So on the little screen I couldn't really tell, but now I guess I know the answer. But of course when I'm saying this I don't know the answer. It's been really nice. Interested to see how this thing performs. Wow, you really get out of practice with this. I almost feel like I want to apologize, but I'm not going to. So, finished up my night here. It's going 20 to 11 and I'm going to edit this vlog. But I realize it's like, when you don't do this a lot, and I've been doing a lot of videos that have just been behind the camera, shooting content, shooting commercials or other stuff, and not vlogging, and I'm really out of practice at this. So, this vlog was a little bit disjointed. I'm looking at getting that back. That's one of the things I want to do this week. So. It's late. I've got to get all packed up and cleaned up and tidied up so that I'm ready for sailing tomorrow. I'm looking at the possibility of sailing all the way to Miet, maybe Lastovo or Korčula, so that's in the realm of 35 or 55 miles depending on what I choose to do. So I want to get away and use the border, the northeast wind, to do that. So thanks for watching. Remember, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and throw a comment down. Tell me what you thought. Tell me what was boring. And tell me what was interesting, because I can't tell at the moment. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to get this done and go to bed.